What if humanity's greatest discovery doesn't arrive as a spaceship in the sky, but as a whisper from the darkness between stars? Not an invasion, not a visitation, but an acknowledgement. Recently, stories spread across the internet claiming that Earth had received a strange signal, one that some described as an invitation to join a galactic community of intelligent beings. The idea captured imaginations instantly, because deep down, humans have always wondered the same question. Are we alone? Or are we late to something far bigger than ourselves? To understand what's really happening, we need to slow down and separate science from speculation. The truth is more subtle and far more fascinating. For most of human history, the universe was silent. Stars were distant lights. The sky was unknowable, and the idea of communicating across cosmic distances was pure fantasy. That changed only about a century ago. When we invented radio, Earth began leaking signals into space. Every broadcast, every transmission, every early television signal escaped our planet at the speed of light. Right now, there is a growing bubble around Earth, over 100 light-years wide, carrying proof that intelligent life exists here. Without realizing it, humanity announced itself to the cosmos. At the same time we began listening. Modern astronomy has revealed something astonishing. The universe is not quiet. It crackles with energy. It flashes. It pulses. Among the strangest discoveries are fast radio bursts, incredibly powerful radio signals that last just milliseconds, yet release more energy than the sun emits in days. They come from across the universe. Some repeat. Some don't. Some arrive with patterns that initially defied explanation. When scientists first detected them, there was serious debate. Were they natural or artificial? This moment is crucial to understanding why rumors of alien contact spread so easily. Because when something doesn't fit our expectations, the human mind fills the gap. Over time, many fast radio bursts were traced back to magnetars, exotic neutron stars with magnetic fields so strong they distort atoms themselves. But not all signals are fully explained. And that's the key point. Not explained does not mean extraterrestrial. But it also doesn't mean meaningless. The universe still holds mysteries we have not decoded. So what would a real message from intelligent beings actually look like? Scientists have thought deeply about this. A genuine artificial signal would not be random. It would repeat. It would stand out from natural cosmic noise. It would likely contain mathematical structure, patterns based on prime numbers, geometry, or universal physical constants. Why mathematics? Because math is the one language every advanced civilization would share. So far, no signal we've detected meets all these criteria. That's why no scientist has announced contact. But here's the unsettling reality. We are now capable of detecting such a signal for the first time in history. The tools exist. The data is being collected. And artificial intelligence is now helping us scan the sky faster than ever before. Which brings us to the idea of a galactic community. This concept isn't born from fantasy or conspiracy. It comes from serious scientific discussion. Physicist Enrico Fermi famously asked, "If the universe is so vast and life is so likely, where is everybody?" This question has haunted scientists for decades. One possibility is that intelligent life is rare. Another is that civilizations destroy themselves. Another is that they remain silent by choice. And another, perhaps the most unsettling, is that advanced civilizations are already out there quietly observing. Some scientists propose that intelligent species may wait until a civilization reaches a certain level of stability before making contact. A species that can't manage its own planet might not be ready to join a larger cosmic conversation. In that sense, the silence of the universe may not be empty. It may be intentional. If that's true, then the idea of an invitation becomes even more powerful. Not as a message received, but as a threshold to be crossed. So what would happen if we did receive a confirmed signal tomorrow? The impact would be unlike anything humanity has ever experienced. Religion would be forced to adapt. Philosophy would be rewritten. Politics would struggle to respond, and humanity's self-image would change overnight. We would no longer be the main characters of the universe, just one civilization among many. This is why scientists are cautious. They don't rush to conclusions. They don't announce discoveries lightly. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. So let's return to the original question. Did Earth receive a signal inviting us to join a galactic community? No. Not yet. But something equally profound is happening. For the first time in our species' existence, we are listening to the universe with intention. With technology powerful enough to hear whispers from across billions of light years. We are no longer staring at the stars in silence. We are asking questions. And perhaps that's the most important step. Because if a signal ever does arrive, clear, unmistakable, undeniably artificial, humanity will be ready to recognize it. Until then, the universe remains quiet. But silence does not mean emptiness. It means patience. The cosmos has existed for nearly 14 billion years. If there is a conversation happening out there, it is not in a hurry. And maybe, just maybe, one day the silence will break. Like, share and subscribe for more cosmic wonders.